this video, I'm going to review a new setting that can improve spot quality. The setting is available starting in QED.net version 9.2. If you're on an older version of software and have an active service contract, contact us to get your upgrade scheduled. So why is this important? Probe for tilt is a form of tilt compensation that allows the machine to maintain gap during spot taking even if your spot part has wedge. We recommend using this feature. To turn it on, go to Administration, Configure Application, Polishing, Application Settings, and select Probe for Tilt for Radial Spots. Then click Apply. Probing is a necessary step when setting up a polishing run. Here we are in Quick Polish at the Probe Part screen. At the bottom of the screen, there's an Options menu. Here you will find several different types of probing with availability depending on which surface is being polished. Probing for tilt is not new for QED.net. In fact, it's a requirement for raster polishing, but it wasn't available for spot taking where maintaining gap is critical to achieving good spots. Because we enabled probe for tilt in the application settings earlier, you can see it is already selected here by default. Now, with this setting enabled, the standard probing routine will add a few additional probe points near the edge of the surface to understand the orientation and magnitude of the tilt. Then, as the spot part is being plunged into the fluid, the Q-flex will compensate for this error to ensure gap is constant. Using tilt compensation to maintain constant gap during spot taking will reduce your VRR spreads and increase the spot quality. Both of these will lead to better results when polishing.